Hi guys, I am back with another video or for the prediction during the Premier League season of 22-23. And this time I'm going to talk about Arsenal versus Fulham. As we know, Arsenal after three matches they are at the top. They have won all the three matches, and Fulham is number seventh, having not lost a game yet, but still, and they have won the one match and draw two. So their position is equally balanced, not too far behind, and we can see that as we know last week they have an important victory against Bedford and Brentford and 3-2. That will be a morale booster for them after first two matches and in draw, which will be a good morale booster if in this match. And also, Arsenal, on the other hand, is top of the table. We can see that in the previous meeting, Arsenal beat Bournemouth 3-0, and this is another big achievement for them. Arsenal is actually since 2010 is a team to beat for the team who are qualified to play Premier League. Arsenal uh, has not got any defeat. Their defeat against a promoted team was against Newcastle United 1-0 in 2010. So it is about 12 years basically. So it will be that is another positive point for Arsenal to take in the ground in the in this match, and we can see the big guns of the Arsenal like uh, Gabriel and Martin. They both are impressive so far, and we can expect them to play at their peak against Fulham and mm, score and get a victory for their team. As per my prediction for the final score at the end of the match, 4-1 or 4-0. That is again my prediction. Do not to be used for the betting purpose, but that is the way things are going. Arsenal is strong and positive uh, in the Premier League season, and also on the paper it looks strong. But again, it's a football, it's a Premier League, it's a top level game, and no team should be considered as below the mark. Any team can beat anyone. But at the moment, as I said, Arsenal could be 4-1 or 4-0. So by this word, I will end this video, and I hope to see you after the match for a post-match presentation. Thank you very much, and see you soon.